Hey guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is another TS Tech Talk video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to confirm who have viewed your featured collection on Facebook. So if you already created your featured collection and you want to check how many people that have visited it or how many people that have seen it, this is just what you need to do. Once your Facebook is open, go ahead and click on the profile icon, scroll down to your featured collection area, whichever one you want to check on. Let me check on the first one, click on it, which is personal, and then click on the view section. The viewers will be displayed here if they have started seeing them, but if you notice right there, it says no view yet, as people have not viewed your featured item. You will see the detail here. Once they start viewing it, you'll be seeing their names and their profile image. Now let me show you guys the next one, and then I'm going to click on the drop down. You notice where it says viewer, right? Go ahead and drag that up. Once you drag it up, you're going to see the names of people that have viewed it. That's just the same thing like I did on my other device. And if you notice on this section where it says others, right, that place where it says others means the people that are following you who are not your friends. You notice where it says other views. When you check more of these, they're actually anonymous people that are viewing your profile, but they're now your friend. They're just following you. So that is all for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and stay safe. Peace.